About this item: NOT, a voltage converter. This adapter works with wide voltage electronics products, 100V 250V, not work on device that 110V/125V voltage only. And cannot convert voltage from 220V to 110V or vice versa. US to Europe plug adapter, Type C plug adapter, compatible in most European countries such as Italy, Spain, France, Iceland, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Portugal, Poland, Netherlands, Turkey, Austria, etc. More country list can be checked in description. Note: not work in UK/Ireland/Scotland. 7-in-1 European adapter. This US to EU plug adapter accommodates 4 standard and American 2 or 3 prong flat pin plug at the same time. Max capacity up to 2500 watt, max 250 volt, 10A, 3 USB ports, charges up to 2.4A. Ideal for cell phone, tablet, power bank, camera, and ECT. Compact size for travel. This European power adapter is compact and lightweight for travel or cruise ship with no surge protection, no cords. The indicator shows the power on/off. No need to carry extra adapter. This outlet converter US to Europe can save your suitcase space, suitable for any occasions. TESSAN plug converter US to Europe is small size.